Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just iPhone Wi-Fi won't turn on, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just open your settings and just try to restore your device. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And another thing you can try also just to update your iPhone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. Also you can try another thing, so you can try also to open Wi-Fi and just turn off, turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.